Hello students, today I am reading Grover's book of cute little baby animals by B.J. Ford. Oh, I am so excited. I'm going to borrow a book from the library. Quiet, please. I want to borrow a library book. You will help me choose one, please? Why, of course, Grover. I will help you choose a book. Oh, wonderful. Cute little baby animals. This is a book I would like to borrow. I can hardly wait to read my library book. Would you like to read it with me? You would? Oh, I am so happy. Baby cats are called kittens. Kittens have soft fur and sharp claws. When kittens are happy, they purr. Baby dogs are called puppies. They love to run and bark and play. Kittens and puppies are good pets. Oh my goodness. They are so cute and furry. The baby raccoon can climb up into his home in a hollow tree. A baby deer is called a fawn. A fawn's spotted coat helps it hide in the grass. A baby rabbit is a bunny. It has long ears and a short fluffy tail. Some baby animals live on the farm. Baby sheep are called lambs. They have soft, woolly coats. Look at the little lamb. Isn't he adorable? Many farmers raise ducks and chickens. Ducklings are baby ducks. They can swim and find food a few hours after they have born. Chicks are baby chickens. They are covered with fluffy yellow feathers called down. A newborn horse is called a foal. Foals can run on their long, thin legs soon after they are born. A baby cow is called a calf. Calves often sleep in the barn on a bed of warm, dry hay. Baby goats are called kids. Goats are good climbers. Oh, this mother goat has two kids. They are twins. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. It stays in its mother's pouch until it is big enough to get around by itself. Joeys have large feet, a strong tail, and are very good jumpers. A baby koala is called a cub. Koalas spend most of their time in trees. The mother carries her cub until it is almost fully grown. Baby lions are also called cubs. Lion cubs like to play. They have very sharp teeth and claws. Baby bears are called cubs too. Bear cubs have thick fur. Their strong claws help them to climb trees. A baby elephant is called a calf. The mother elephant can use her trunk to guide her calf along. Elephants can also use their trunks to drink water or pick up food. That is the end of my book. But wait, don't go away. I have one more cute little baby to show you. Look at this baby monster. He is soft and blue and furry. Isn't he cute and adorable? I love all the little babies. Do you want to read this book again? Oh, joy. Let's start at the beginning. The end.